Hey guys, I'm Tashfin and I'm a finance and CIS major at Georgia State University.
Hey guys, this is Tashfin bringing you a video on how to split, sort, and filter. So as you can see, I have my name and my Panther ID right here. The first thing that you want to do is save the file. So I'm going to save the file as video data, put my name here, and save it in my desktop. So as you do the work, you can save it as you go. Save, and now split, sort, and filter, that's the worksheet that we want to work with. So we click on that and a worksheet appears. So you see there's lots of data for us to split, sort, and filter. So the first thing that we want to do is we want to highlight all the data that's in column 1 because everything is in column 1. And you want to go to the data ribbon and press text to columns to try and split the data for the first time. So what you want to do is click the delimited one because characters such as commas or tabs do separate each field. Press the next button and you see that since the commas are what separating your data, you press the comma and you get 3 separate columns. You press next and you want to keep it general for the column data format and press finish to get 3 separate columns that has sorted out first, last, and hero names. The next thing that we want to do is we want to custom sort this data. And to do that, we have to go to the home ribbon and press the sort and filter button, and then we go to custom sort. The reason we want to do that is because we want the superhero names to be together to see what their names are and what their names are actually in the comics or their lives. So to do this, the first thing we have to do is sort by hero names. Keep the order as A to Z. Then we want their names to come up as well. So you add another level, add last name, and format this to Z to A. Then you add another level with their first name and keep this as A to Z. The reason we do this all together is because we don't want the first and last names to get matched up differently. We want the people with the first and last names to stay together. For example, Clark Kent, who plays Superman, we want Clark and Kent to stay together. So that's why we would sort it simultaneously. Press OK and you'll see how they are all sorted. Heroes, the numbers come up first and then it's from A, B, and so on. So the way it has been done is that you can see what their names are and who they played. So you see Chuck Chandler 3D Man, Hal Chandler 3D Man. So these two guys have played 3D Man, and that's how it's going to come up. The next thing you want to do is you want to be able to filter your data. So you have to pick all 3 columns that you want to filter, go to sort and filter in the home ribbon again and filter the data. So now you're going to see that there are 3 drop down buttons. Say you want to find out heroes who have S in their name. Press the hero drop down and just search for heroes with S in their name and it will all come up, and you see Excel has already formatted the data for us in such a way that it's filtered with heroes who only have S in their name. So now you might want to find out after filtering how many of heroes have S in their name. To do this, you want to use the subtotal function, and the way this works is you put subtotal, you put an equal sign, then put subtotal, and let me just change that. And after subtotal, there is a function number. So what the function number shows is what you want to count here. So you want to leave out everything that is hidden. So you use the hidden function that is 100, and then you have to use the count A, which is 3. So 103 is your function number. And for reference values, all you have to do is highlight every single name in your reference data and leave it like that in the function, press enter, and there you have it. That's how many superheroes who have S in their name in this data list. Now what you want to do is you want to drag this out for the next 2 columns so that they can show you what the other columns have as their data and how many names they have. As you can see, it's the same because they are the same number of people. So, but as you can see, the function changes here. Keep your eyes here. The function changes as we go to the different data lists, and that happens because your function is actually pasted into the next column, and that's how Excel works. Well, guys, this has been great, and this is how you can split, sort, and filter very easily. Usually, I'll end with a joke, but after all this CIS work, I have no joke left in me. But if you guys want to laugh, please check the Duck song out. It's hilarious. Thank you so much, guys.